Hey guys, what's up with the economy? Just me? Okay, anyway, we're not gonna let inflation get us down. Today, we're diving into AI side hustles. If you're down to make an extra $500 a day, buckle up. We're unpacking 7 AI side hustles that are blowing up right now. Think of me as your AI fairy godmother, giving you financial freedom. Ready to explore 7 unique AI-powered side hustles? Stick around! First up, AI-generated dot-to-dot books. These are weirdly popular, especially for kids. Parents love them for keeping kids entertained and learning. You can use Amazon KDP to upload and sell your books without dealing with printing and shipping. Use AI tools to generate these books in bulk with different themes and difficulty levels. Add cool illustrations because aesthetics are everything. Upload to Amazon KDP, set your price, and boom, you're a published author. Every sale means cha-ching. You get a cut of the profits. People are making bank from AI-generated dot-to-dot books. It's the perfect example of working smarter, not harder. Moving on to AI-generated podcasts. Imagine a world where you can create engaging podcast episodes without ever speaking into a microphone. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, the future is now. Podcasts are insanely popular, and there's a huge audience for new content. With millions of listeners tuning in daily, the demand for fresh and unique content is ever growing. Whether it's true crime, comedy, or educational content, there's a niche for everyone. You don't need to be a professional podcaster to get in on this. Even if you're just starting out, the tools available today make it easier than ever to produce high-quality content from the comfort of your home. Tools like Notebook LM can turn any text into a podcast episode. This software uses advanced AI to convert written content into spoken word, making it sound natural and engaging. Feed it blog posts, articles, or even recipes, and it'll create a conversational podcast. Imagine turning your favorite blog into a series of podcast episodes, or sharing your grandmother's secret recipes in a new and exciting format. Choose from different AI voices to sound professional. These voices are designed to mimic human speech patterns, making your podcast sound like it was recorded by a seasoned professional. Upload your AI-generated podcast to platforms like Spotify and Apple Podcasts. These platforms have millions of users, giving your content the potential to reach a vast audience. Sit back and watch the downloads and money roll in. With the right content and marketing strategy, your AI-generated podcast could become a lucrative side hustle. It's a great way to repurpose content or share your ideas without spending hours recording. If you have a blog, a series of articles, or even a collection of short stories, you can easily convert them into podcast episodes. AI podcasts, definitely something to add to your side hustle vision board. With minimal effort and maximum creativity, you can explore new ways to share your voice and ideas with the world. Let's talk about something more aesthetic. Candles. Candles are a goldmine for side hustlers, especially on Etsy. Use AI to generate witty quotes for your candle labels. Instead of plain lavender, have a namaste in bed candle with a funny quote. Find a niche, add personality, and let AI generate catchy slogans. Use AI to create custom designs for your labels. List your candles on Etsy, set your price, and become a candlepreneur. Do all of this from home, in your pajamas. It's the dream, really. Candles are fun and profitable side hustle. Chapter 4. AI Influencers. This is getting weird, but also profitable. In the ever-evolving landscape of social media, a new phenomenon is taking center stage. AI influencers, digital personas created through advanced algorithms and machine learning, are becoming the new celebrities of the online world. AI influencers are computer-generated people taking over social media. These digital avatars are designed to look and act like real humans, often indistinguishable from their flesh and blood counterparts. They post photos, share stories, and even interact with followers in real time. They have millions of followers, and brands are throwing money at them. Major companies are eager to collaborate with these virtual influencers, seeing them as a fresh and innovative way to reach audiences. The engagement rates are often higher than those of human influencers, making them a lucrative investment. Use powerful AI tools to create hyper-realistic photos and videos of digital avatars. These tools allow creators to manipulate every aspect of the digital persona, from facial expressions to body movements, ensuring that the content is always on point and engaging. Customize everything from hair color to facial expressions. The level of detail that can be achieved is astounding, allowing for a high degree of personalization. This customization makes the avatars more relatable and appealing to different demographics. Tools like Focus and Roop help create realistic portraits and deepfake videos. These software solutions are at the forefront of digital avatar creation, providing users with the ability to produce content that is both visually stunning and highly realistic. Build up a following for your AI influencer and reach out to brands for sponsorships. The process of gaining followers is similar to that of human influencers, involving consistent posting, engaging content, and strategic collaborations. Promote your own products or services. AI influencers can be used to endorse a wide range of products, from fashion and beauty to tech gadgets and lifestyle items. Their ability to seamlessly integrate promotional content into their posts makes them highly effective marketers. AI influencers are controversial but profitable. While some people question the ethics and authenticity of using digital personas, there's no denying the financial benefits. The debate continues, but the trend shows no signs of slowing down. They're only going to become more prevalent in the future. As technology advances, the capabilities of AI influencers will only grow, making them an even more integral part of the social media landscape. The future is digital, and these influencers are leading the charge. It's a wild but real opportunity. For those willing to embrace this new frontier, the potential rewards are immense. Whether you're a brand looking to innovate or a creator seeking new ways to engage with audiences, AI influencers offer a unique and exciting avenue. Embrace the future of social media with AI influencers. The digital world is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve means being open to new and groundbreaking ideas. AI influencers represent the next step in this evolution. Create, customize, and monetize your digital avatar. The tools and platforms available today make it easier than ever to get started. With a bit of creativity and strategic planning, anyone can tap into this burgeoning market. AI influencers, the next big thing in social media marketing. As the lines between the digital and physical worlds continue to blur, these virtual personas are set to become a staple in marketing strategies worldwide. Don't miss out on this revolutionary trend. Chapter 5. Niche word searches. It's giving grandma chic. Niche word searches are a goldmine if you know how to play your cards right. These puzzles, often overlooked, can be a delightful and profitable venture. Imagine creating word searches that cater to specific interests, like beloved TV shows, classic literature, or even unique hobbies such as knitting or gardening. The possibilities are endless, and the demand is surprisingly high. Create word searches around niche interests like TV shows or hobbies. This not only makes the puzzles more engaging, but also taps into a dedicated fan base. People love to see their favorite themes and interests reflected in fun activities. It's a way to connect with others who share the same passions. Use ChatGPT to generate word searches in seconds. This AI tool can help you come up with creative and challenging puzzles without the hassle of doing it manually. Simply input your chosen theme and let ChatGPT do the rest. It's efficient and incredibly user-friendly. Design a visually appealing layout in Canva. A well-designed word search is not only fun to solve, but also pleasing to the eye. Canva offers a variety of templates and design tools that make it easy to create professional-looking puzzles. Add some flair with colors, fonts, and images to make your word searches stand out. Sell your word searches as digital downloads on Etsy or your website. Digital products are convenient for both the seller and the buyer. They require no physical inventory and can be sold repeatedly without additional effort. Plus, platforms like Etsy provide a ready-made marketplace with millions of potential customers. Offer them as bonuses for email sign-ups or social media follows. This strategy not only helps you grow your audience, but also adds value to your offerings. People are more likely to engage with your content if they receive something in return. It's a win-win situation. It's a simple, low-cost side hustle with potential for serious passive income. Once your word searches are created and listed, they can continue to generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. This makes it an ideal side hustle for those looking to earn extra money without a significant time investment. Tap into your creative side and connect with people who share your interests. Creating niche word searches allows you to explore your own hobbies and passions while building a community around them. It's a fulfilling way to combine creativity with entrepreneurship. Niche word searches, a fun and profitable side hustle. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash or build a full-fledged business, this unique venture offers endless opportunities for creativity and connection. Chapter 6. AI T-shirt designs, merch game strong. Graphic tees with funny sayings and cool designs are still a thing. Use AI to generate awesome slogans and taglines. Use AI art generators like DALL-E 2 or Midjourney for unique designs. Combine your slogan and design in Canva for a professional t-shirt mock-up. Upload to print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Printify. These platforms handle printing, shipping, and customer service. Sell your t-shirts on your website, Etsy, or social media. Only pay for t-shirts when someone orders one, so no upfront investment. AI t-shirt designs, a lucrative and low-risk side hustle. Chapter 7. Hidden picture books, like Where's Waldo but cooler. Hidden picture books are back with intricate illustrations and challenging puzzles. Use AI art generators to create the base image for your puzzle. Hide objects within the image using tools like Photoshop. Design the rest of the book in Canva, including the cover and answer key. Sell your hidden picture book as a digital download on Etsy or your website. Some creators make over $11,000 a month from hidden picture books. And there you have it. 7 AI side hustles that could change your life, or at least your bank account balance. I hope this video inspired you to try something new and make extra cash. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Check out the next video on screen now for more money-making tips. See you there!